Alright, the item left in the paragraph settings, line and page breaks is text box options. I want to mention something here, although some features might be not so useful, but because I'm trying to cover most features in the Microsoft Word and make a reference tutorial, thus I will cover them all. So, the title wrap has several steps you have to know that. Let me first create a random text, 5 paragraphs and 7 sentences, and make it smaller. Alright, Control Command J to make justified and remove the spacing after paragraph. As I mentioned in the previous video, it is working for text box. So I'm going to insert text box and create a text box. And I'm writing some sample nonsense text. And I will make the text box larger and center. If I go to Home, Paragraph Settings, Line and Page Breaks, now as you see it is enabled. The title wrap we have none, which by default is set, all, top and bottom, all sides, only first and last line, first line only and last line only. Let's set on all, and note that the title wrap text, it is not about text inside of text box. Actually, it is wrapping text outside of that. Okay, as you see, still nothing happened because you have set several features there. First of all, you have to set wrapping, which you see here, to tight or through. Only works on one of these two items. Or you could go to the shape format, wrap text, and tight or through. You have to remove a fill color and border. So in the shape fill, I set on no fill, and shape outline, I set no outline. There it is. As you see, now it is working for wrapping. If I go to Home tab, Paragraph Settings and disable or set none, as you see, it is now not working. Let me bring it back to mention more tips about that. And note that it is only working on 0 angle. If I start rotating, you see it is not gonna work. Even if I rotate 180 degree, not gonna work, only on 0 degree. And this wrapping, it does not recognize the characters, the letters area. What do I mean? If I create O and make it large, still we have spacing of the character. So it's not wrapping around it. What do I mean? As an example, if I create a circle shape and change the wrapping something like a tight, it is not working like this, wrapping around the circular shape. So only based on character spacing. Again, it might be not so useful, but I did mention to have a reference. Even if you are curious what is it, I will cover it here.